Going to get Miss Lindy Lou Bird. All the horses are back from West down in Florida that she took with her, so there's Miss Muse. She's just Tweety Pie. They don't come up to people. And Miss Lolita. I'm not gonna ride her today though. Maybe I will next week before I move Lindy as kind of a farewell. I'm gonna be sad about that, but it's what I have to do. Hey, you butt. Come on. Oh, look. There's a little flower by your rock. Ah, don't bite my phone. Oh, geez, Priya. Miss Lindy wants a carrot. Huh? Oh, geez. Is that so yummy? Nom 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 nom. He loves carrots. Okay, Lindy Lou and I, are going to get some grapes. She's like, where are my friends? Oh, she's so cute. All the way back that way over the hill and around the fence. She's like, Mom, did you put me out here all by myself? Hey, I'm on my way to the barn that I'm taking Lindy to, actually. A horse that I'm more than likely going to lease there. There's a couple actually, but Maggie, if you guys remember, the paint mare, she was like a red roan paint. And then there's a gelding that the same owner owns that I'm going to ride today. And he's actually, I think, a Rocky Mountain or Kentucky Mountain saddle horse. He's gated, so that's cool because I've only ever ridden like one gated horse in my life, so I find them very interesting, so I'm excited. Hopefully I can vlog some of it while I'm there as well, and I will catch you guys later. So I definitely will be leasing that gated gelding. He was adorable. He was just kind of like your typical ornery kind of pony. I mean, he's probably about 14.2, 14.3, but he's stocky. And it was just kind of funny. He was really fun, and I've never really done a whole lot with gated horses, but I would definitely ride him. He was pretty cool. And his name is Hershey because he's so dark brown, so I thought that was cute. Anyway, so there's going to be a lot going on at that barn. That's going to be my new barn where he's at. Obviously, I think I said that. But anyway, so that is my blog for today.